I'm very glad that I have got this opportunity to be amongst all of you at this Plastindia Global CEO Conclave. That India be make in India and make for the world. And that's where the whole India growth story comes from. A new vision, a new India, which we've seen, and especially in this plastic, polymer and petrochemicals. In this sector, India is a huge market, a manufacturing hub, a great consumption that's happening domestically as well, and exporting across to the world.